Welcome to the beautiful new The Shadows at Bayou Oaks subdivision located in Carlis, Louisiana. The entryway leads around a large pond to 4910 Poplar Grove. Welcome to this modern farmhouse-style two-story home. It is situated on a classic raised pier and beam foundation. The front features a large wrap-around porch with plenty of room to enjoy the breezes on a sunny afternoon. There are 3 sets of brick and wrought iron stairways. 2 access the front and side porch and 1 accesses the rear porch. Looking toward the subdivision entrance, there is a beautiful view of the large pond in the center of the subdivision.